This is E11 work, and this will be the work for this week will be simultaneous equations, and I'll be only focusing on the elimination method of substitution. The elimination method of simultaneous equations. So please watch this video, follow the example, and at the end you just have to do these 4 exercises. Let's see how simultaneous equation goes as far as elimination method is concerned. So, if I give you, when I say simultaneous equation, you know we are finding x and y at the same time. All this while we were finding the value for x only. This time we're going to find the value for x and y together. So if you are given 2 equations, for any simultaneous equation, you'll always be given 2 equations. So first equation A, I can say this is equation 1, which is 4x plus 3y equals to 46. And this equation 2, which is x plus 3y equals to 16. I can see this is 3y and 3y. Okay, so we've got 4x plus 3y equals to 46 and x plus 3y is equals to 16. So I can easily eliminate 3y. Why? I can subtract that. So because 3y will cancel 3y. So 4x take away x is 3x. Okay, 4x take away 1x is 3x. 3y minus 3y is 0. Okay. What's 46 minus 16? 46 minus 16 is 30. Now I'm finding the value for x. So how do I find the value for x? X is equals to 30 divided by 3. X equals to 10. So that means the value for x is 10. Right? Now, how do I find the value for y? So I will substitute, I will choose the easy equation. If you can look at this 4x, 3x, this one looks a little bit easier. It is an easy equation. X plus 3y equals to 16. So x is 10 plus 3y is equals to 16. Now you, same as your friend has been kidnapped and you want to find the value for y. So I'll say y is equals to, take away 10 plus 3y equals to 16. So take away 10, take away 10. So 3y is equals to 16 minus 10 is 6. Now y is equals to 2, because 6 divided by 3 is 2. So that means the value for x is 10 and the value for y is 2. This is, I have just solved a question, a simultaneous equation. I've solved it using elimination method to get the value for x and the value for y. Okay. So actually your question is going to be something like that. Okay. So this is a simple one because 3y was easy. You could easily eliminate that, but you won't get this all the time. The focus is this one, this side. Okay. So if I say, look at this one, this is a type of question you might get in the exam. If I say the total number of adults and children paid $2,330 to one event. So there was some sort of concert or some sort of event. Adults went in there and some children went in there. So adults and children, they all went to this concert. So the total, these adults and the children, that total they paid was 2,330. And how many were there in total? In total, adults and children, the total number was 370. That means 370 were present there. And they all paid altogether they paid 2,330. Adults paid $8 per ticket and children paid $5 per ticket. Okay. So how many adults and how many children attended the event? So once again, together they all paid 2,330, and together adults and children, the total number was 370. The price for adult ticket was 8, and the price of child ticket was $5. Your job is to find how many adults were there and how many children were there. So this can only be solved through simultaneous equation. So I could say x can stand for adults. I'll say x. Let's make x to be adults and y to be children. Okay, so that it makes my work much more easier. So my first equation could be equation 1. x plus y is 370. Can you see? The number of children and the number of adults is 370. At the moment, we don't know how many were there. And the second equation is, we know that adults paid $8 X and plus 5 was for children, $5 per ticket, 5Y. So Y is children, and the total they paid was 2330. So this is how you form two equations. Total number, children, adults and children was 370. Total they paid, that means $8 times how many adults, $5 times whatever number was for the children, you times it, and the total they got was 2330. So this is the two equations, right? So now you want to find how many adults and how many children went there. That means you want to find the value for x and the value for y. I want to eliminate y first to find my x. So normally I go for y, but you choose. Okay. This time I will eliminate y. Okay. I could have started off with x, but your choice. Okay. I'll try to go for y if possible. So x, can you see I've got my second equation to be 8x plus 5y. Okay. Now if you want to eliminate y, I have to multiply the whole of the first equation by 5. Why? If this is 5, then 5y minus 5y will give me 0. So that's the reason why I'm multiplying my first equation with 5. So it's 5x, 5 times x, 5x, 5 times y, 5y, and 5 times 370 is 1850. Now we subtract. Can you see my first equation? X plus y equals to 370. It has turned to 5x plus 5y equals to 1850. Why we change it? Why we multiply it by 5? Because we chose that, okay, we will eliminate 5. So I have to multiply the whole equation for the first one by 5. So can you see? Now this is my change equation. And this is my second equation, which is 8x plus 5y equals to 2330. What's 5x minus 8x? Is negative 3x. 5y minus 5y is 0. That's what we wanted. 1850 take away 2330 is negative 480. Now to find the value for x is negative 480 divided by negative 3. We get 160. That means x was for adults. That means 160 adults went in there. Now, how many children went? So you know that x plus y is 370. You know that the total went the total people that went there was 370. So of 370, if the adults were 160, how many were the children? So 370 take away 160 is 210. That means 210 children went there to the concert or the event, and 160 males. Guys, if we do that, that will be excellence. Okay. If you haven't understood again why I'm multiplying by 5, here I don't have to multiply this by any number because I could easily remove 3y is gone. But here I can't remove 5y and y. So that's the reason why I have to multiply this by 5 to make it common. Okay, and that is what has happened. Right, guys? Watch this video, go over it again, and do question number 1, 2, 3, 4. Question number 1 is x plus y equals to 10. And this is 7x plus 8y equals to 200. Question 2 is x plus y equals to 800. And this is 20x plus 35y equals to 24,000. Question 3, x plus y equals to 15. And next one is 65x plus 85y equals to 1095. And last question, 2x plus 4y equals to 39.70. And 3x plus y is equal to 39.80. Right? So, yep, go over it again so you can understand. You feel free to rewind and go over it again and understand that.